Hey everybody! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a fun little DIY project. We're making a flashlight that works with Makita batteries. And even with some Makita alternatives. It's a super simple project, doesn't take much time, and I promise it's very beginner friendly. Also, just a heads up, most of this video is going to be a time-lapse, so you can see the build flow without it getting boring. So, let's start. I have this 38-volt LED lamp sitting around, and honestly, I had no idea what to do with it. But then I remembered seeing some Makita-compatible flashlights on AliExpress. They're not very expensive, but I figured, why buy one when I can make it myself from spare parts I already have lying around? That's the fun of DIY, right? For the case of this project, I found a model on Printables.com. It's perfect for what I need, but I also designed and 3D printed a few extra parts myself to make everything fit perfectly. It's always satisfying when you can customize your own design. The parts list for this build is super short and simple. The case, the LED lamp, a switch, and a DC-DC boost module. That's literally it. Very minimalist. The first step was to disassemble the lamp so it could fit into the new mount. Nothing fancy here, just careful hands and a little patience. Once that was ready, I soldered all the parts together. Now, here comes the fun part, calibrating the DC-DC boost module. I needed it to push 38 volts from an 18-volt Makita battery. This little module has been sitting in my toolbox for about 10 years, just waiting for a project like this, and finally, it has found its purpose. After calibrating, I assembled all the parts into the case, making sure everything fit snugly and looked neat. There's something really satisfying about seeing a project come together like this, the pieces all clicking into place, and you know it's going to work. Of course, I had to do a quick test. And it worked beautifully. The lamp lights up bright and strong, powered from the Makita battery, and it's completely portable. I've also tested it over a few hours in real-life conditions, and it performs really well, fast, simple, and effective, exactly what a good DIY project should be. So that's it for today's build. A small, quick, and useful project that anyone can try if they have a few spare parts and a bit of curiosity. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and maybe it even inspires you to make your own DIY flashlight. Thanks a lot for your attention. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next fun DIY project. See you in the next one.